The Delhi Mumbai Expressway is a 1,350 km long, 8-lane wide, under construction, access-controlled expressway connecting India's national capital New Delhi with its financial hub Mumbai. The total project value, including the land acquisition cost, is around 1 lakh crore. An additional 31 km long spur will also be constructed by the NHAI from Noida International Airport in Jaipur to Sector 65 Faridabad on this expressway.
The connectivity to economic hubs like Jaipur, Kishangarh, Ajmer, Kota, Chittorgarh, Udaipur, Bhopal, Ujjain, Indore, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat.
Foundation stone of the project was laid by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari in presence of Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley on 8 March 2019. Delhi Mumbai Expressway will connect D&D Flyway in Maharani Bagh, Delhi, to Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Maharashtra via Dausa, Kota, Ratlam, Vadodara, and Surat.
2023, the new expressway is expected to halve the commute time between Delhi and Mumbai from nearly 24 hours to 12 hours and shorten the distance by 130 km.
The various special features of the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway are as follows. Wayside amenities, electric highway, environment-friendly and wildlife crossings.
Initially, the expressway will be 8-lane wide, with the greenfield alignment route in backward areas, which will reduce the current 24 hours travel time to 12 hours. Land for an additional 4 lanes shall be reserved in the middle of the road. These were some facts and figures about the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Now come, let's go on a drive on the newly made Delhi-Dausa stretch of the expressway to be inaugurated on 12th of February 2023 by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Sohna-Dausa section will reduce the travel time from Delhi to Jaipur to about 2 hours. Delhi and Jaipur are separated by about 270 kilometers. Sohna to Dausa is the first segment of the new Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Furthermore, the stretch will also divert traffic load from busy, congested highways such as National Highway 8, NH8, and the main Delhi-Gurugram-Jaipur corridor.